We've all heard it, drink more water, but what if the kind of water you drink matters just as much, or more, than how much you drink? See, not all water is the same. Some water is alive, some is dead. There's a kind of water your body craves, but almost no one talks about it. It's called structured water, and it could change how you think about hydration, health, and healing itself. Let's dive in. Structured water is water in its natural, energized state. It's what you find in glacial springs, in fruits, in plants, and inside your own cells. Scientists call it the fourth phase of water, not solid, liquid, or vapor, but something else, a gel-like organized matrix that carries energy and stores information. When water is structured, it flows in spirals, it charges your cells. It hydrates at the cellular level, not just in your stomach. But here's the problem. Tap water and bottled water are processed, pressurized, and chemically treated. That structure, it's gone. You're drinking water that's been stripped of its vitality. And your body feels it, whether you realize it or not. Structured water isn't a wellness fad. It's what nature always intended. So why are we being given water that's essentially lifeless? The answer is simple: convenience and control. Structured water doesn't survive the harsh treatment of municipal systems. It gets pumped, chlorinated, filtered, and shoved through metal pipes, sometimes for miles. By the time it reaches your glass, it's been chemically altered, stripped of minerals, and energetically flat. Bottled water isn't better. Often it's just filtered tap water, sitting in plastic, absorbing microtoxins under fluorescent lights. There's no conspiracy in saying our water is dead. It's just the cost of industrial efficiency. But the bigger issue, we've forgotten what real water even feels like. So how do you get structured water back into your life? You don't need fancy machines or overpriced biohacking gadgets. Nature already solved this. Spring water is naturally structured, charged by the earth, mineralized by stone, vortexed underground. Raw fruits and vegetables, especially cucumbers, melons, and leafy greens, are packed with structured water built by plants. Sunlight helps your body produce more structured water at the cellular level, especially morning sunlight. Vortexing your water, swirling it in a spiral, mimics nature's flow and begins to restore its structure. Storing water in copper, clay, or glass, not plastic, preserves its charge and integrity. You were never meant to hydrate with stale, lifeless liquid. Start small, start simple. Start natural. Here's where things get controversial. Can water hold memory? Dr. Masaru Emoto's experiments showed that water crystals changed based on the words or emotions they were exposed to. Love produced beauty, hate produced chaos. Many dismissed it, but some scientists believe structured water behaves like a liquid crystal, and crystals are known to store information. Your body is full of this water in your blood, your cells. Even your brain. If water holds memory, what are you programming it with? Stress and chemicals, or nature, music, and intention? Ancient cultures stored water in sacred vessels and spoke prayers over it. They didn't just drink water, they respected it. Modern science may scoff, but your cells still remember. This isn't just about hydration, it's about disconnection. Plastic bottles, chlorinated taps, processed drinks. This is not water the way nature intended. When we disconnected from real water, we began disconnecting from everything else. From sunlight, from soil, from stillness, from self. Structured water is a mirror, showing us how far we've drifted from the earth and from our own design. But here's the truth, that connection can be rebuilt, one barefoot step, one sip at a time. Nature is still there and she's still flowing. We filter it, bottle it, flush it away. But what if water is more than a resource? What if it's alive? Ancient cultures believed water was sacred, sentient even. Springs were worshipped, oceans revered, rivers given offerings. Today, we've lost that reverence, but the mystery remains. Structured water behaves like a liquid crystal. It stores energy, possibly memory, possibly more. Your body is mostly water, your brain even more. So what if the essence of who you are, your thoughts, your instincts, your knowing are carried in water? Maybe that's why real water feels different, healing, familiar. Maybe it's not just quenching your thirst. Maybe it's speaking to your cells. Is water alive? Maybe not in the way we define life. But it just might be more alive than we are. We've been taught to count ounces and track hydration apps. But real hydration isn't about numbers, it's about nature. Structured water is what your body recognizes. And it's not gone, it's just been forgotten. Find a spring, eat a melon, stand barefoot on the ground and drink water that's touched the earth. Reconnect with the water within you. And you just might remember who you were meant to be.